Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to see a demo, OpenVINO based medical imaging demo, and it's going to be very interesting. We are going to have a hands-on demonstration of the CT Segmentation Quantize notebook demo from OpenVINO. This notebook demonstrates how to optimize a deep learning model for medical imaging in a very smooth way, particularly for kidney segmentation in CT scans. By using the OpenVINO's post-training optimization tool, we call it POT, we can perform quantization, reduce the model precision from FP32 to int8, and that way we can make the model more efficient and faster without compromising on the quality, which is especially very important in the real-world deployment scenarios. The notebook is very simple to understand and it is structured in a very simple way. We will go ahead with the setup and environment related things first. Then we will go ahead and load the model. Quantization will be followed by that. Then we can go ahead and do the inference and visualization. And finally, we can have the demonstration run for you. I'm going to walk you through that right now and I'm sure you will like it. Let's go ahead and have a look at the code walkthrough, which is easy to understand. The code link is given in the description section where you can understand things very easily. The first thing is to go ahead with the setup on the environment. We begin by setting up dependencies and preparing the environment. Then we will load the model. A pre-trained 3D unit model designed for kidney segmentation is loaded. And then comes the next stage, which is very important, where we go ahead with the quantization and it is done with POT. We calibrate the model using sample data and we apply int8 quantization to optimize the performance. Once the quantization is done, we can go ahead with the inferencing and the visualization, which you will see right now. Finally, when we run the inference on the CT scan images, one can visualize the kidney segmentation very nicely, and we can also compare the performance metrics like inference time between the FP32 and int8 models. The notebook also highlights how OpenVINO can simplify deploying AI in medical imaging by balancing accuracy and performance. This is very simple and easy to understand. I'm going through the code and also selecting the device right now where you want to run it. It can be CPU, GPU or NPU if you have an AAPC with you. All this can be demonstrated and tried. I've given the code link. Just go ahead, download it from the Git and you will be able to see the live inference. I'm going to show you that right now. And you can see that we are getting the results uptime and that's it. Now we can go ahead and see the live inferencing here. I'm going to run that step. That's it. We got it. It's working fine and it's very easy to understand. Go ahead, read through the results, and if you have any questions, please reach us out at any time. We'll be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much and looking forward to receive your comments. Thank you.